started to seep out in this one. You see the color difference? It's white here and it's dark there. Just to give you an idea, it already started. Hey guys, so today I'm not baking anything. I just wanted to show you how I made my homemade vanilla extract. Now, I made these, as you can see, last year, and they were made with 2 separate types of alcohol. One was made with vodka, and actually they were both, and one was made with rum. Yeah, so this one was vodka and this one was rum. This was white and this was dark. And it has been exactly 1 year since I made this. Personally, I love this one. This was made with the dark rum and a little vodka, I believe. It has a great flavor and stuff like that. So for me, I like it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to experiment with different types of alcohol, because I don't know the right or wrong way of doing this. I just know that you get different flavors using different products. So I have a bunch of vanilla beans, which I will show you, and I'm gonna use them whole. So I have these. I got them a while ago and I just kept them safe. So normally people use the pods. You can even use the whole vanilla bean. I'm gonna use the whole beans, meaning I'm gonna cut in half, slice, or slice in the like slice all the way down, then cut it in half, and then put it in my containers, which I already have right here. These are empty bottles. They were already sterilized, so I am going to make this work. Essentially, what you're gonna need your vanilla beans, obviously, a knife. I have a funnel because I would like to use it to pour my alcohol in. It just makes it easier and less messy for me. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, based on what I've read, you need an alcohol at about 40 proof. So I have one that I want to try, which is at 63%. And I have the regular vodka, which is about 40%. So I'm going to make one with my 63%. And then I'm going to mix my vodka with a dark alcohol, because that dark rum has like, it has a spiced aroma. So I want to see how well it works with the vanilla, because I mean, who doesn't like a good tasting extract? It makes your food taste so much better. I mean, baking, of course, but this is the thing, I love experimenting, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Vanilla beans are quite expensive. They're super expensive. I mean, I think one bean is like $5. Who knows? I don't know. It's expensive though. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what the inside of the vanilla bean looks like, just so you get an idea. So these little seeds right here, these little things right here, focus. These are the vanilla seeds. This is the pod, right? So all of this has all the flavor. Now, I don't discard the pods because they hold the flavor as well. Now, what you can do is, if you're baking at the moment, you can simply scrape the seeds out, use them, and only use the pod. I'm, however, going to use everything because I am not baking at the moment and I need a very intense vanilla flavor. I have 6 pods currently, and what I'm going to do is, for each bottle that I have right here, I am going to put 3 pods in each. So I'm just going to split them open and I'm going to cut them in half. And then I'm going to add them to the bottle. Now, you wait at least 6 to 12 weeks before using your extract. I've seen instructions online saying that after you let it sit for about a month and then you can use it. Personally, I think I left mine for more than a month, only because I had extract that I was using and I forgot I made this, and then I was like, oh, let me try, right? What I did was every week or so, I did a side-by-side comparison, meaning the changes of the color, the changes of the aroma, stuff like that, just to keep track of the flavor. I did 2 separate sets of alcohol, so I wanted to see which one would work. For me, I personally, like I said before, I liked the one that I used with the rum versus the plain vodka. Because, I mean, it just tastes like regular old vanilla extract. The one that I made with the rum, that was amazing. That's my favorite by far. I just wanted to say that this is my second time making it. I just used discarded vanilla bean pods, meaning that the seeds were scraped out before. But I'm not an expert. I love experimenting, so that's what I'm doing, because it makes for a delicious food. There's so many different types of varieties when it comes to vanilla bean. So, like, depending on where it's grown, you have an array of flavors. I believe these are from Madagascar, I believe. They're all the same. I bought them at a store, got them all at the same time, just never used them. But I do believe that the different strains definitely make a difference in flavor. And I'm all about getting a unique flavor blend. I don't like having things or tasting things that taste like other people's products. I'm so weird that way. I really am weird. Like, I like unique tasting things. Unique in a sense where it's identifiable, but you can only get it from me. You know, that's how I am. So, yeah, make your own vanilla bean extract. This one's a juicy one. Like, look at all of these seeds. Seriously, look how juicy that is. Like, you see that? That's so juicy. I love it. All that good flavor is gonna go in. I'm not gonna... Ooh. I'm excited already. I really am. I'm super excited. My vanilla beans are in their containers. And I'm now going to select the type of alcohol I'm going to use. One is going to be white and the other one is going to be dark. Now, I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to use. I want you to create your own blend. Just find an alcohol or vodka, because I do believe it's vodka that you should be using, that is 40%. I'm going to use whatever I want because I'm experimenting. That's why I'm not telling you what I'm going to use. So the first alcohol I'm using, it has a nutmeg spice-filled flavor. And I honestly believe that this vanilla extract is going to smell and taste amazing. I really do. So I'm just going to fill it up. All the way up. Alcohol is expensive, so I don't do this very often. So this is my alcohol number 1. I'm just going to plug the hole a bit. I'm not going to shake it up because I don't want to disturb the beans just yet. But this is what it looks like. Nice and clear. Right? I'm excited. I really am. It looks like water, but I'm so excited because I really feel like this is going to smell so good by the time I'm done. Like, imagine a year from now what this is going to smell like. Oh, look. I have vanilla on my finger. Next up, I am going to be using, what does it say? One is a brandy and one is a spiced rum. So I'm going to be mixing the two into this. This is the last one because I also feel this is going to be an amazing flavor. Now, I don't know if I have enough of both to make this work. but we're gonna see. I don't know, I just love the whole the spice flavor mixed with vanilla. So as you can see, this one is starting from dark. Oh, I'm just gonna finish this. I have to buy a new bottle. I don't know if I am doing this right or wrong. I'm just experimenting. I want you to experiment as well, because that's the only way you're gonna know what works for you. Okay, I just wanted to show you. Here you have it. Both were poured today. Oh my gosh, look at it. The vanilla already started to seep out in this one. You see the color difference? It's white here and it's dark there. Just to give you an idea, it already started. So as you can see, I'm starting with a clear mixture and a dark mixture. In about 2 days, this is going to be dark. This is going to be just as dark as this one. And this one, the one that has the brandy and the rum, will get a lot darker. So here you have it, your quick and easy homemade vanilla extract. Yes, alcohol is expensive, but you get to create your own flavor. And who doesn't like creating their own? Once you figure out which flavor profiles work for you, meaning the type of alcohol or the type of vanilla bean, where it's grown, where it's from, whatever it is, you will never buy store-bought extract again. Have a look. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna shake this one up yet. I'm gonna let it sit for a day. I'm gonna let both of them sit for a day, and then I'm gonna shake them up and let them sit forever. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to label them and date them with what was used in each. This is a 60% alcohol, 63% rum, actually. Yep. And this is rum and brandy. Both smell amazing. I'm excited for both, so we'll see what we come up with. This is an up close and personal look at each bottle.